everyone, this is Jennifer Moreno-Calix, graduate student at Houston Baptist University, and this is my portfolio screencast presentation for LTDE 5317 Current Topics in Learning with Technology. Welcome to my portfolio. This semester has been very busy, but very rewarding in terms of what we have accomplished throughout this course. This portfolio is a reflection of what I have learned and created in my time in the LTDE program. If we click on the Technology Resource tab, here it is, I have organized all of the tools according to the courses. Here is the Adaptive Learning Tool tutorial I did over Quizify some weeks ago. During this assignment, I gained a lot of knowledge about different platforms throughout our discussion board. I'm very excited to try this one out this upcoming school year. If we scroll down, another great resource was the collaborative collection of adaptive strategies. It contains many different resources, including articles and blogs that I feel can really help me moving forward to help my students be successful academically. However, if we go back, the assignment that perhaps was my favorite and I enjoyed the most doing was the Innovative Learning Unit. I decided to do my unit over social emotional learning and divided it into 3 parts: the gamification intro, the implementation lesson, and the evaluation and reflection part. I decided to use the lesson frame that I use at work involving 5 E's: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and finally, evaluate. When I decided to make this unit, I wanted it to be relevant to what I'm doing right now and what I want to do in the future. I wanted it to be coherent between what I was creating in my school counseling classes, my experiences, and what we have been learning in this class. The idea came based on the needs of my campus, and I have gained many tools throughout this unit, and the resources will be certainly of help to me in implementing SEL even now as I continue teaching in my classroom. I am very excited to continue on to the next chapter of my journey. Thank you so much, and God bless you.